Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Start by preparing both devices so transfers work reliably. Enable Wi-Fi and Bluetooth on both devices and keep them within 3-5 meters. Sign in to the same Samsung account on phone and computer before sharing. Install QuickShare or Samsung Flow on the computer to receive files. Update both devices to the latest system version and app releases to prevent compatibility issues. Restart Wi-Fi and Bluetooth if the devices fail to discover each other after initial setup. Open your Gallery or Files app and select the items you want to send. Tap Share, choose Quick Share, then select the target computer from the list of visible devices. On the first transfer, grant permissions for nearby devices and file access when prompted. Accept the incoming transfer on the computer to start the file copy. Monitor progress in the phone notification area and on the computer transfer window. Cancel or retry transfers from either device if an error appears during transfer. Use the same Wi-Fi network for faster transfers and improved stability. For large files over 1 GB, plug both devices into power before sending to avoid interruptions. If the computer does not appear, toggle Wi-Fi and Bluetooth or relaunch Quick Share apps on both ends. Temporarily disable VPNs or firewalls that can block local discovery and file ports. Set the computer to allow files from nearby devices in system settings for seamless acceptance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.